Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding cannabis sector because some good news are expected to come during this weekend, and hopefully this will push all the cannabis stock upward. So in this video I will be talking about two news, then I will talk about OGI, Sndl, Tlry and ACB, their price action, their support and resistance, and how we can get benefit from this information to get some quick profit. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So a news came today that for the New York Governor Cuomo says talks on legalizing marijuana in New York will continue over the weekend. Okay, so this is the important thing. If you want, you can go to the website. I think it has a video. So basically it says that a bill to legalize marijuana is still in play, with the governor saying on Friday that he and lawmakers are making good progress on negotiations and will continue work on it over the weekend. This is very important because if it is legalized in New York, then it is very important. It will impact the other states in US. So whenever the news will come during the weekend, if it really happens, then definitely on Monday all the cannabis stocks will go higher. So keep that in mind and follow the news, and if there is some good news it comes during this weekend, definitely I'll share with you guys so that we know how to play with Monday, and we will come up with a plan how can we get some quick profit, whether using option or whether using buying some shares. Also another news that came, I think a day before that, in Mexico they said to legalize marijuana and becoming the world's largest market. So this is also another thing. So lawmakers in Mexico approved a bill Wednesday night to legalize recreational marijuana, a milestone for the country. Okay, and also this is important because both Mexico and Canada, on both sides of US, now they are, it's called as like pot selling neighbors, right? So this is also important how US will handle this thing, and we know that the new Democrat, they want to legalize and decriminalize marijuana use federally. So we will see, and I think hopefully within few weeks some news will come and all the cannabis sector will pop. And we all know that when the Biden government came in November, all the cannabis sector, they went up. So you see a spike here. So the first one I'm sharing is OGI ticker symbol, and I made a previous video here the previous day saying that it has a more upside to go, and there was some good news because BTI, British American Tobacco, they purchased 20% equity of that particular company. So this one definitely it can go up to 6.28, or who knows, it can even go $10-15. We will see, but definitely you can see the big volume for last 2 days. You can see when there is a big volume high, the share price went up. Again you can see big volumes, and it's looking like it's a U-shaped recovery. Today this stock was up like 10%. So if anything happens during weekend, this one will go definitely higher and it can touch $6 again, 6.5. You can play with the option. In my previous video I talked about call option, so check that video, and I also talked about support and resistance for that particular share. But if you're interested, let's quickly check the bottom here. I think the bottom is around 2.5 in this area, and currently we are around this area, so the resistance is like 4.5. so what's for the weekend, because like the New York news was good for this particular one, and this one ran really hard. So if something happens during the weekend, definitely it will go over to 4.5, then can go up to $5-6. If not, it might come down. So look at the daily MACD. The blue line is crossing the orange line. If this thing can continue, definitely it can go higher and the share price can go higher. Similarly, you can see that daily RSI, which is currently 65, pointing upward. Last time it went up to 91, so still there is more upside. So any kind of good news will send this stock higher. And if you want to know more about this particular company, please check my previous video. That is the link to this my previous video is at the top of this video. The next one is Sndl. I have been covering Sndl for many videos, because we started the journey I think around 0.8. It was 80 cent, then it went all the way up to $4, then came down, and currently this is trying to consolidate in this particular area. We had some very rough week. It came down all the way to $0.91, but you can see it bounced off. So, and it bounced off, and currently it is moving within this particular channel between 1.3 to 1.5, and it is trying to break that 1.5 1.55, that range. And I think once we can break that area, it has more upside. It can go like even higher, maybe it will come around 1.8 2, and is the upside. Also, I wanted to share something about the short float for this particular one. Let's try TradingView, and I want to show you the short float, because I think this is very high. The short float is 41%. So you know about the short squeeze, right? So if like any kind of good news comes, and this stock can run really hard, because the short float is only 41, not only, like it's very high, it's 41%, right? And we also know that this is a debt-free company, and also like we know the day before, like PTI purchased 20% equity of OGI, so maybe there will be a buyout from another big company, because this is a penny stock. Currently it is debt free, and they are also making very good partnership. There are some other news, some partnership news for Sndl, so maybe this will send the share price higher and higher, and just because of 42% short interest, maybe it will go even higher, $3-4 anyway. The last one is Tlry, ticker symbol TLRY. We know after the partnership, some news in Europe, due to Europe partnership, it went up to $65-70. Then it came all the way to $20, and currently it is trying to make a U-shaped recovery. You can see the bottom here. I think it bounced off around $21. It tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it was previously a resistance, then it became a support. So most likely it will not come below $21.1. And also look at the resistance. So you can see like it touched so many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So between 21.1 and 28.5, this the share price can move. If it can break that particular resistance around 28.5, then definitely it can go higher and higher. Again, any kind of good news will send this stock higher, maybe around $40 range again. So keep an eye on this particular one. And you can also see the MACD, the blue line is about to reverse, and also the RSI is only 52, which is neutral. So this thing can go higher, and also the MACD can go higher, which means it can make a U-shaped recovery, and definitely it can go up to $40 at least. And this is one of the bigger one, because Tlry, it has a higher market cap and also like higher price compared to other cannabis stock. The final one is ACB. Again, before the earning, this one went up to $18. Then it was at a good earning. You see the surprise was like 462%. It was not good, right? So instead of -0.2, they reported -1.37. Anyway, so you see the big decrease from 18, it came all the way like $12-13. Then we had a market sell-off, and this one came all the way around $9.5 range. What's happening currently? We are trying to go up. Maybe we can go and hit the $11.3 mark, and we can hit the resistance and come back, and we can consolidate around this area for some time. But again, if there is a big news, definitely it can pop again. Looking at the daily RSI, is pointing up, and also you can see the MACD is pointing up, so which are bull sign. But again, it depends how you want to play. Currently I am holding a lot of share and call for OGI, because I see this one can easily go higher. I like the chart pattern currently, and also I have Sndl a lot of share, and during last week's sell-off I did lots of deep buying around $1 area. So I'm sitting with a large number of share, and I think this one can at least like go 2 or 3 times from this area. Tlry is definitely another one. I'm not playing with TLRY, but if you want, you can establish a position. Anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.